Just drip candles on the barbecue charcoal and you'll be amazed at the result. And when you find out what it's for, you'll thank me a million times. For this simple and incredible tip, let's first get a pan of some kind, then turn on the heat and we'll need some candles. That's right. Here I'm using 7. But it's up to you. Let's pour the candles into the pan. I advise you to do this over a low heat. Shall we let these candles melt completely? I'm sure you won't regret learning this. Once the candles have melted completely, remove the wicks with a pair of tongs. Turn off the heat and then move on to the next step. We'll need a second ingredient, cooking oil. That's right, if you think it's too expensive to spend, don't worry. You can also use used frying oil, okay? That done, let's move on to the next step. Now you'll need absorbent cotton, it can be any kind, but I'm using this disc, which you can find in any market or pharmacy. Now take a food processor and dip this absorbent cotton disc into the hot wax. Repeat the same step by step so there's no mistake. I never imagined that such a simple tip could help me so much and solve a major problem that we all have. I'll reveal what it is in a moment. If you've come this far, it's because you like our content. So, I want to take this opportunity to send a special hug to you who are there behind the screen, watching us, liking us, and interacting with the page. We're very grateful for you. Now that we've dipped all the discs in the wax, let's wait for everything to dry very well. While they dry, let's continue with the finishing tip. Now you'll need alcohol. It can be any alcohol from any spray bottle. And finally, using a funnel, we'll pour a good amount of alcohol into the spray bottle. I'm sure you're curious to know the result, but don't worry, we're almost finished. Now we're going to cap the spray bottle and use it as follows. Once the cotton pads are dry, we'll need to spray a good amount of alcohol over them. Be sure to be generous and apply it to all the discs after spraying. Moving on to the next and final step, you'll need a glass container like this one, preferably with a lid, okay? Then put all the cotton pads into the container. If you've made it this far, congratulations. The average attention span of an average person is between 10 and 20 seconds, which means you're above average and your attention is very good here. What we've just done is a super home igniter. After that, you'll never have trouble lighting a barbecue again. Just scratch the lighter and that's it. It will light very easily. Then just place it on the coals and you won't have to move it, because it will light automatically without blowing or shaking or even stirring the coals. It will do all the dirty work for you. It's simply amazing. An experienced barbecue chef revealed this secret to me, and I decided to share it with you.